Imagine buying a piece of digital artwork on the internet at a reasonable price and getting a unique digital token known which proves your authority over the artwork you bought. Wouldn't it be great? Well, that opportunity exists now thanks to NFT. NFT are currently taking the digital art and collectibles world by storm. Just as everyone worldwide believed Bitcoin was a digital answer to currency, NFT are now pitched as the digital answer to collectibles. As a result, digital artists are seeing their lives changing thanks to the massive sales to a new crypto audience. If you are interested in NFT and want to explore more about what they are, you have come to the right place. Let's dive in and see what all the fuss is about. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. What is a non-fungible token, NFT? Non-fungible tokens, NFT, are cryptographic assets on a blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalency. This differs from fungible tokens like cryptocurrencies, which are identical to each other and therefore can serve as a medium for commercial transactions. The distinct construction of each NFT has the potential for several use cases. For example, they are an ideal vehicle to digitally represent physical assets like real estate and artwork. Because they are based on blockchains, NFT can also work to remove intermediaries and connect artists with audiences or for identity management. NFT can remove intermediaries, simplify transactions, and create new markets. In early March 2021, a group of NFT by digital artist people sold for over $69 million. The sale set a precedent and a record for the most expensive pieces of digital art sold thus far. The artwork was a collage comprised of people's first 5,000 days of work. Much of the current market for NFT is centered around collectibles, such as digital artwork, sports cards, and rarities. Perhaps the most hyped space is NBA Top Shot, a place to collect non-fungible, tokenized NBA moments in digital card form. Some of these cards have sold for millions of dollars. Recently, Twitter's Jack Dorsey tweeted a link to a tokenized version of the first tweet ever, in which he wrote, "Just setting up my Twitter." The NFT version of the first ever tweet sold for more than $2.9 million. Understanding NFT. Like physical money, cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning that they can be traded or exchanged one for another. For example, one Bitcoin is always equal in value to another Bitcoin. Similarly, a single unit of Ether is always equal to another unit. This fungibility characteristic makes cryptocurrency suitable as a secure medium of transaction in the digital economy. NFT shift the crypto paradigm by making each token unique and irreplaceable, thereby making it impossible for one non-fungible token to be equal to another. They are digital representations of assets and have been likened to digital passports because each token contains a unique, non-transferable identity to distinguish it from other tokens. They are also extensible, meaning you can combine one NFT with another to breed a third. Unique NFT. Just like Bitcoin, NFT also contain ownership details for easy identification and transfer between token holders. Owners can also add metadata or attributes pertaining to the asset in NFT. For example, tokens representing coffee beans can be classified as fair trade, or artists can sign their digital artwork with their own signature in the metadata. NFT evolved from the ERC 721 standard, developed by some of the same people responsible for the ERC 20 smart contract. ERC 721 defines the minimum interface ownership details, security, and metadata required for the exchange and distribution of gaming tokens. The ERC 1155 standard takes the concept further by reducing the transaction and storage cost required for NFT and batching multiple types of non-fungible tokens into a single contract. Perhaps the most famous use case for NFT is that of CryptoKitties. Launched in November 2017, CryptoKitties are digital representations of cats with unique identifications on Ethereum's blockchain. Each kitty is unique and has a price in Ether. They reproduce among themselves and produce new offspring, which have different attributes and valuations compared to their parents. Within a few short weeks of their launch, CryptoKitties racked up a fan base that spent $20 million worth of Ether to purchase, feed, and nurture them. Some enthusiasts even spent upward of $100,000 on the effort. More recently, the Bored Ape Yacht Club has garnered controversial attention for its high prices, celebrity following, and high-profile theft of some of its 10,000 NFT. For example, an NFT for a wine bottle will make it easier for different actors in the supply chain to interact with it and help track its movements, production, and sale through the entire process. Consulting firm Ernst & Young has already developed such a solution for one of its clients. Non-fungible tokens are also excellent for identity management. Consider the case of physical passports that need to be produced at every entry and exit point. By converting individual passports into NFT, each with its own unique identifying characteristics, it is possible to streamline the entry and exit processes for jurisdictions. Expanding this use case, NFT can serve an identity management purpose within the digital realm as well. NFT can also democratize investing by fractionalizing physical assets like real estate. It is much easier to divide a digital real estate asset among multiple owners than a physical one. That tokenization ethic need not be constrained to real estate. It can extend to other assets such as artwork. Thus, a painting need not always have a single owner. Its digital equivalent can have multiple owners, each responsible for a fraction of the painting. Such arrangements could increase its worth and revenues. The most exciting possibility for NFT lies in the creation of new markets and forms of investment. Consider a piece of real estate parceled out into multiple divisions, each of which contains different characteristics and property types. One of the divisions might be next to a beach while another is in an entertainment complex, and yet another is a residential district. Depending on its characteristics, each piece of land is unique, priced differently, and represented with an NFT. Real estate trading, a complex and bureaucratic affair, can be simplified by incorporating relevant metadata into each unique NFT. Decentraland, a virtual reality platform on Ethereum's blockchain, has already implemented such a concept. As NFT become more sophisticated and integrate into the financial infrastructure, it may become possible to implement the same concept of tokenized pieces of land, differing in value and location in the physical world. How to buy NFT? Many NFT can only be purchased with Ether, so owning some of this cryptocurrency and storing it in a digital wallet is usually the first step. You can then purchase NFT via any of the online NFT marketplaces, including OpenSea, Rabel, and Super Rare. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.